The so-called modern world often gives more rights to the criminals than to the victims and their families. In contrast to this, there has been a case in Pakistan in which a convicted child killer will be executed in the same way that he killed 100 children. His body will be cut in 100 pieces and put in acid. What is Hazur's opinion on dealing with criminals like these?
You see, I've read that verdict against that man, but this is un-Islamic. The Quran does not speak of this verdict to be genuine and rightful. If you burn his body 100 times or dissolve it in acid, what difference does it make to the poor children who have been killed and destroyed? So the real punishment lies for him in the hereafter. In this world, whether you kill 1,000 men or 1,000,000 men, you can only be killed once. Like you say, Hitler during Nazi Germany committed great atrocities against Jews, and they claim, I don't endorse that, but they claim that 6 million Jews were beastly killed and destroyed by the Nazi camps.